Hello everyone, for today's Murphylegal Monday, I want to touch on the topic of what is marital versus non-marital in a divorce proceeding. Marital property, by pure definition, is anything acquired during the marriage. So let's say you were married on March the 1st of 2025 and you purchase a BMW, a house, and you open up a new retirement account. All three of those things would be considered marital property. Why? Because they purchased after the marriage. Similarly, anything purchased before the marriage is non-marital. So if you owned a house and you owned a BMW and you owned a 401k before the marriage, those portions of those assets that have not appreciated in value will be considered non-marital. I caution people all the time though, be careful about mixing marital and non-marital because there becomes a point where it's not identifiable of which is which. So you want to make sure it's clear to the court. You kept your bank account separate that you had before the wedding. You kept your 401k separate and you didn't put any other additions in that. You opened up a new 401k that you understand would be considered marital property. Or you, more importantly, got a prenuptial agreement that spoke to these issues and how they accumulate over time and prohibit the other party from potentially having any interest in them. But you want to be very specific with a prenuptial agreement, and I'll do that video in a second. But I just wanted to touch on this because people think that marital property only is acquired by the deed or who's on the deed or who's on the title or all of these things. None of that matters. Marital property, pure definition, is anything acquired during the marriage. So you want to be careful about what you do acquire, and the things that you had before the marriage, keep them separate because they are separate property in the eyes of the court, and you want to keep them that way. Just wanted to give you guys that tidbit. If you're in legal services in the state of Maryland or in the District of Columbia, please give my office a call, 240-493-9116 and www.amurphylegal.com. Thank you.